Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about some other diseases of vision in this part. In this video, I am going to discuss about some old age vision problems like cataract, glaucoma. Some references have been given in the last part of the video if you want to study further, and you can test yourself by answering some simple questions after observing the whole video. So observe the video very carefully. First of all, we are going to discuss about cataract. You can see this is the normal eye and this is the normal lens. But if the eye is affected with a disease like cataract, there will be a problem in the lens. That means the clouded lens. So you can see the difference. Here this is the clear eyeball and here this is the clouded eyeball. You can clearly see the difference in this picture also. Here the lens is crystal clear, which is the normal matter for a lens, but here the lens is clouded somehow. So there is diffraction of the light in a very bad way, which causes the blurring of the vision. That means vision is not clear. Now if this eye with cataract can be seen in a more broad way, you can see that this is the lens, condition of the lens, which is called the clouded lens. There is a cloudy appearance of the lens instead of a clear lens. So the main problem of the cataract is the lens is clouded, which causes the blurred vision. Cataract is a medical condition of lens of the eye in which lens becomes opaque, resulting in the blurred vision. So that means the particular part of the eye that is under problem in the case of the cataract is only the lens part of the eye. Causes of most cataract are aging or injury. So aging or injury are the two main causes of cataract. This causes changes the tissue of the eye lens. Now, most common symptoms of the cataract are blurred vision, that means the vision is not cleared. Double vision, that means a person will see one thing in double. Seeing halos, that means in the outside part of the object is very much means there is an illusion type of appearance. Changes in the night vision, that means night vision will be not clear, and depth perception will also be not clear. The patient will be very much sensitive to the sunshine, difficulty in distinguishing the colors and difficulty in the reading. Definitely with a blurred vision, a person cannot perceive the depth, cannot read properly, and cannot distinguish between the color properly. There are three types of cataract. Nuclear sclerotic cataract. It's a most common type of cataract and it actually causes years to develop. It begins at the central zone of the eye and progress gradually to the peripheral side. Now this cortical cataract, it is actually seen in the case of the diabetic patient. It is just opposite to the nuclear sclerotic cataract. It starts from the outermost layer of the eye. Now the third part is the posterior subscapular cataract. It's very common for the person with diabetes or extreme nearsightedness. The most common treatment of the cataract is the surgery. So this is the problem of glaucoma. You can see in the picture. This is the structure of a normal eye. If we compare the size of a normal eye and the eye that is suffering from the glaucoma, you can see the eyeball is a bit bigger than the normal eye. Now what happens, there is a fluid called aqueous humor which flows inside the eye, and if it is overproduced, that means if excess amount of aqueous humor is present inside the eye, there is a channel here. You can see there is a small gap, this channel. Through this channel, the excess fluid is drained out. But if both happens at a time, like excess amount of aqueous humor is present within the eye, and this drainage system is somehow damaged, so the extra aqueous humor is not coming out due to the blockage of the drainage system. Then what will happen? This extra aqueous humor fluid that will accommodated inside the eyeball, and it will create pressure to every part of the eye, and it will increase the IOP, that is the intraocular pressure. That means the pressure which is generated inside the eye. This excess pressure, what will do? It will damage the optic nerve. And we all know that this optic nerve is very, very important in the action of vision. So in this way, the glaucoma happens and the optic nerve is damaged. In glaucoma, optic nerve is damaged due to the increased pressure of the eye. Just we have discussed that due to the accumulation of the aqueous humor inside the eye, the intraocular pressure, that is the IOP, is increased, and which ultimately causes the damage of the optic nerve. So it is very common for the older adults, and if left untreated, glaucoma will cause blindness. That means the complete loss of vision. So the main cause of glaucoma is the increased eye pressure, just we have discussed, and the treatment of the glaucoma include lowering of the eye pressure. That means whatever the agent will lower the IOP, that we can use for the treatment of the glaucoma, like eye drops, then oral medication, then lesser treatment, surgery, or combination of any of these can treat glaucoma. References are given here for your further study. If you go through this, you will gain more knowledge. So you can test yourself by answering these small questions. So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep in touch with me by subscribing my channel, and you feel free to comment in the comment section that what type of video you want. And this series will continue to part 4, where we will discuss about some other problems of the vision. So long, have a nice day.